In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use our fitness app and how to utilize all the awesome features. When you first open up to our app, you're going to be on the Today screen. You're going to notice the names of the screens at the very bottom of your phone. On the Today screen, if there was a workout scheduled for today, it would actually be right at the top of this screen. But because there isn't one scheduled for this person until tomorrow, you can't see it. In order to see the workouts, you're going to click on the Coaching tab at the bottom. Once you're in there, you'll see this week actually ran from Monday through the current day, which for me, I'm recording this on a Sunday. So you can see that those are the workouts with the orange check boxes. This client completed 4 workouts, and there is one outstanding workout, which was an ab workout this person missed. In order to see the workouts for the upcoming week, you can actually tap right onto this training screen and it will open up a calendar. Once you're in that calendar, swipe over on the top of the screen, and now you can see all of the workouts scheduled for the new week. There are teal circles around any of the days that have a workout. This is a 3-day-a-week program, so there is a workout scheduled on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and then this person is opting into the optional ab workouts, which show on Wednesday and Friday here. Now, those are totally optional. We do 2 10-minute ab workouts that are new every single month. In order to move the workouts around, say you're somebody that doesn't want to work out on Monday and Tuesday, instead you'd prefer to work out on Monday and Wednesday and Friday, you can go ahead and move your workouts by tapping on the square arrow button in the top right corner. When you tap on that, it brings up this page called Rearrange. So now if you tap down or hold your finger down to the right of the names of the workouts over those 3 lines that look like a paragraph, that will allow you to drag your workouts all around. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this ab workout at the bottom to Saturday. I'm gonna move Thursday's workout to Friday. I'm gonna move Tuesday's workout to Wednesday with the ab workout. And I'll put the ab workout after the workout, and then I'll leave the first workout of the week there on Monday. Now you can back out and you'll see those workouts on your training calendar on the days that you want to work out. In order to start a workout, what you do is you just tap down on the workout. It's going to bring you to this page, and you can see here there's a description of the workout, and I highly recommend that you read this because each week there's going to be a little bit of a different focus. When we first start a new block, we're going to be aiming for a lower rate of perceived exertion. We're not pushing quite as hard because when you stick with these 4-week blocks, at the end of each block, we have a week where we really push ourselves. So then we have a deload week when we're starting a new block. You'll notice that there is nowhere to start this workout here. And that is because this workout is not actually set for the current day. So in order to start a workout, you have to move it to the current day. And since today is Sunday, I have to go out and move this workout to today. In order to do that, I'm gonna hit that Rearrange button again and bring Monday's workout, hovering over those 3 lines on the right, up to Sunday. Now I'm gonna go back out, and I have to swipe back over to Sunday here, which I'm gonna show you on the front of the app now. Now you can see that workout pops right up. Since it is a current day, that workout is right there. So now you can hit Start Workout right here, but I'm gonna show you when you do it from here as well. So we're going to Sunday. I'm tapping on the workout. And now you see that Start Workout button. So if there's ever not an option to do that, you have to move the workout to the current day. So now I'm gonna hit Start Workout. Every workout, there's going to be a warm-up. It might be 1 or 2 rounds, and you're going to hit Start Section. And then this is going to show you a video demonstration. You can hit the play button, and then you'll see a demonstration of how to perform this exercise. You can tap on the screen again and that will stop the video. In order to track your workouts, you're going to notice that there's this grayish box and it says 1 set, 5 reps with a check mark. That is specifying how many sets of the exercise that we are doing. And then under the reps column, it's telling us how many reps. So for this one, we're doing 1 set, 5 reps. And when you go ahead and do this, then you can hit the little check mark and it will move you over to the next exercise. You can again hit the button to watch the video. Now I'm gonna tap through all of these exercises real quick. At the end of the section, you're going to hit done and you're going to hit finish. Then you'll start a new section. What I want to show you is a couple other features. You'll notice that it says body weight squat, air squat. Right underneath it, there is a button that has a little checkbox with a circle and an arrow around it, the button to the left. If you tap on that, that's going to show you your history. So if this was an exercise where we were actually lifting weight, you would be able to see how much weight you have been progressing with over time, or if you've been pretty stagnant, it's going to show how much weight you've been lifting, and all of the history will show in rows down at the bottom of the screen. And as you have increased your weight, you'll notice on the graph that it will show over time. Now there's no data on this person, so we don't see that right here. Now you'll also notice that there's a little bubble in the second option there, right under the body weight squat title. If you click on that, you can type a comment. Whenever you write a comment, this can be something that you're sharing with a coach, or it can be something for yourself to remember. You can write a comment and know that those comments go through to your coach. So your coach will always be able to read those and provide you with any feedback. So if you have a question or your form feels poor and you want to send over a little video, you can do that right here. You can send up to 1-minute clips of video to your coach, or you can ask questions and then we'll receive a message on our end and be able to respond to whatever you write here. Now to close that, you'll hit that arrow, the downward arrow on the left side in about the middle of the page. There's another button here with a dumbbell and a little plus sign. You're not really going to use this. This is add an exercise before or add an exercise after, or a superset. You could potentially use this if you ever did add an exercise in, but it's not something you're probably going to use very often. There's also 3 dots. If you tap on those 3 dots, you can hit add set. So let's say you wanted to log your warm-up sets. You could definitely go ahead and use that there. Or if you want to replace an exercise. So if there's an exercise that we have alternatives for, but maybe you're not even able to do one of those alternatives, which should happen very rarely, but you want to go ahead and replace an exercise, you can hit that button and it will bring you to a whole list of exercises. You can search, just type in the name of the exercise you're replacing another exercise with, and you can go ahead and replace that exercise. Now I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to bring you back to the main page. I'm going to skip through these warm-ups and get you to the actual workout itself. So you'll notice that just below the button, the start section, it says alternate exercises available. Choose below or update during the workout. In order to find the alternative exercises, you can find them by the downward arrow button that is going to be showing to the right of the exercise. The first exercise that you'll see that has one is the dumbbell curtsy lunge. So if you click on that, you can see that there's an alternating body weight forward lunge or a body weight curtsy lunge. So you can go ahead and swap that exercise out. We're gonna go with a body weight curtsy lunge. And now you'll see that it changed to that. That is really nice because sometimes you might not be ready to use weights with certain exercises, or it might be a level of difficulty that you can't quite do, or you need to modify for any other reason. There will be those alternative exercises. For this one, the next one you'll see bench reverse hyperextension. Now, you might be doing your workout from home and you don't have a bench, so we also have a stability ball option. You might not have a stability ball, so you can see that there's a floor back extension or a Superman. Since I don't have either of those, pretending I don't, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the floor back extension. Now I'm all set, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit start section. You always have to hit start in order to navigate the app the best. Because once you do that, it's going to allow you to log your reps and sets. So for this exercise, you can go ahead and watch little demo of dumbbell box squat. And then you're going to see that gray area at the bottom, it says set RIR, which stands for reps in reserve. Then it's pounds and reps. So for this exercise, that first set, you'll notice that the set says W. That is a warm-up set. And you'll also see a note here in the middle of the screen. It says, be sure to warm up with half your working weight. So on your bigger lifts, like your bench press, your back squats or deadlifts, I'm going to put a warm-up set there just to remind you to do that, because we really don't want to go into our workout and not warm up for those bigger lifts. Now I'm going to explain what this RIR stands for. That means reps in reserve. So for these workouts, the reps in reserve is how many reps we want to be able to complete after we get to the top of the rep range. So you can see that for this exercise, the warm-up, I said do 4 to 6 reps, but for the actual working sets 2, 3, and 4, we're aiming for 8 to 10 reps. So if we're aiming for 8 to 10 reps, what that reps in reserve means is that if we got to 10 reps, we should feel like we could still do 2 more reps. We should have a little bit of gas left in the tank. We didn't go to failure. Our muscles aren't completely done, and we still have a little bit of room for a couple more reps there. If you finished your set, you got to 10 reps, and you felt like you could do 5 more reps, then where we're at right now with these workouts, that would mean that you're not lifting heavy enough, or you're just not challenging yourself enough. In order to get the most out of your workouts, we really want to push ourselves close to failure, but not pushing ourselves to failure in every single workout. And that's gonna allow us to recover adequately and also help prevent injuries. For this exercise, if I were to do 9 reps on the first set with the weight that I choose, and I feel like I could still do a couple more reps, then I have chosen the right weight. Now, if I picked up a weight and on that first set, I only got 7 reps, then I'd know that I have too heavy of a weight and I should go to lower weights. So when you actually do it, let's say I used 15-pound dumbbells, you can go ahead and hit that middle column and it allows you to type in the weight that you use. And I recommend writing it in for every single set and then the number of reps that you achieve. So if you, for this first set, if you got 10 reps, then go ahead and hit 10, click done. And when you did that first set, you'll hit the check mark. It's gonna bring up a rest timer, and you should really need to utilize these rest periods. If you're feeling like you set your weights down after a set and you feel like you could pick up the weights and do another set after 15 or 30 more seconds, then again, you're probably not challenging yourself enough or you're not using heavy of enough weights. I'm gonna skip the timer and go ahead and finish out this. Let's say I used 15-pound dumbbells again and I got 10 reps again. Check it off, skipping the timer. I'm gonna say I used 15 pounds again, and then I'm gonna say that this last set, I only got 8 reps. Checking it off. There's the rest timer again. Now you have to finish the warm-up rep also. Check off all the boxes before it lets you go to the next exercise. Now you can go on to a different exercise. Like let's say you were at the gym doing this and you didn't have access to a machine because it was being used. You can skip ahead and go to another exercise and then start that. So for this exercise, it's called a superset. A superset is where you do one exercise, one set of it, and then you move right on to another exercise, and then you'll do one set and move to another one. and then you do minimal rest in between sets. Now you can click finish or edit section. If you remember, I didn't finish all of these exercises, so you could go in and go back to those other exercises and finish them. I'm gonna go ahead and hit done. When you're done, there is going to be a little bit of a cool down with some stretching. We'll hit done, and then you swipe to end your workout. And we have this fun little thing with this app where it tells you how much weight you lifted in your workout, and it relates that to how much weight an animal was. So share those with your coach. It's fun for us to share those on our social media. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, be sure to ask your coach and we will be sure to walk you through it.